This Jamaican green banana porridge kept me full and energized for hours during my work days. Can anyone relate to this? When you would work double shifts and barely had time to sit down to eat breakfast, lunch, or even dinner? Well, family, I used to buy this on my way to work, and now let me show you how I make my own Iron Ball Porridge with a twist. 1 cup of raw peanuts. Use a cup of oats. So family, I'm using a cup of oats, 6 green bananas and about 2 green plantains. This sea moss is what I brought back from Jamaica from my trip this year. And you peel just like you have a banana, you know? Same concept. Come on, okay, so water, 3 cups. I'll put more. Here we're adding the oats, everything one time. Cup of oats and a cup of raw peanuts. That's it. Nice big ones here. This is bay leaf. Alright, 2 bay leaf, 1 for the plate and 1 in the pan. These ones are on. This is where everything comes together, slow cooked with cinnamon infused water for flavor. And you start stirring it, turn it back up on it. Add in the sea moss for the contour oil. Sea moss gel. Okay, get a stir. Oh, I missed one of the cinnamon. No, that's the sea moss. So I'm gonna lower this and watch this contour boil. This is real fuel for the mind and body. If you are enjoying so far and want more of this type of content, like the video and subscribe to the channel for more. Turn this off now. See? It's good. Can you cool off? Like that. So family, I finished this the way I liked it. Sweetened with condensed milks, a sprinkle of cinnamon, a dash of vanilla extract also, almond essence, and the sprinkles of salt. Taste this. Delicious. This is what got me through those long days at work. Comfort food that really fills you and tastes very delicious. Give thanks for this healthy porridge. Big up yourself, peace, and one love. This is the best, family. Remind me of my good old days at work. Like I said, Iron Ball Porridge.